The crypto market is acting beyond strange right now. There is so much fear and so much misunderstanding, and it is just running rampant right now. And I want to talk about that. And I want to talk about it in the context of like, look, you need to have a plan for your crypto, and I want you to make an absolute insane amount of money in crypto. That's why I cover this channel and do what I do, cover crypto every single day. I want to keep you informed, and I want you to make a lot of money. That's it. And right now, I think that a lot of people are at risk for losing out on probably one of the single biggest opportunities that there is. In fact, I want to share this with you. It's a buddy of mine just tweeted this, and I want to show it to you. Hold on. Let me go over here. Go over here. So a really good friend of mine just tweeted this. So Luckside Crypto, he said, I've never seen retail so uninterested in creating generational wealth. They'd rather just cower in fear at every turn in the market. What comes from this time is going to be incredible. Just sad that so many people are going to miss out, and to which I said, I could not have said it any better, brother. Thank you, Luckside, for saying it, because I think what he said, he nailed it, right? There's the retail dollars, and who are retail investors? That's you and I. There's hundreds of millions of us who have left the market. And I showed you that right. Let's see, where is it at? There, I showed you that. This chart shows you everything. The blue line is retail investors. And notice that the retail investors were back all the way to February of 2024. They were pretty much holding steady, a little bit of ebb and flow, a little bit of moving up. But then in December of 2024, they left the building. They left. You can see the blue line. That's hundreds of millions of investors going, see ya. Why? Fear, uncertainty, doubt. Then I think a bigger reason, I'll tell you that in a minute, but I want to show you the red line. The red line is institutional investors, larger investors, whales, Wall Street, all of them. What they start doing in August of 24, they started buying, and they continue to buy. Okay. So I said to you, retail investors left for two reasons. The first set of reasons was fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's one reason. Okay. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt is one reason. Yes, I know it's three things, but it's one reason. I think the second reason they left was manipulation. I think that there is a concerted effort, Wall Street, other powers that be, of creating misinformation in the market. And I think I think we deal with that every single day. I did an XRP video earlier today, and I went into Twitter and typed in XRP scam, and there's just hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of posts that are all misinformation posts about XRP, that's a scam. I'm just using that as an example. Okay. It's crazy. And every single day on mainstream media, online and offline, there's some piece of content about crypto, and it may not necessarily be an attack piece like it used to be a year or 2 years from now. Now it's content that creates a little bit of grain of uncertainty of, this and this and this, and like, like I'll share this with you, like this piece of right here. XRP took another dip. Is it crashing? I'm using XRP as an example. You could take this and go Cardano, Polygon, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I don't care. This content's out there every single day. Is it crashing? You're seriously asking, is it crashing when the market's only down 2% and XRP right now is down 5.7%? You're seriously questioning, is it crashing? But the point is, the headline is a manipulative tactic. And this stuff is everywhere. Hundreds of millions of people see it every day. Market fear is at an all-time high. But interestingly enough, I want to show this with you to show you this. Market fear is at an all-time high. Remember, I showed you this chart. Retail money left the building. Blue chart, right? Blue line. But look at this. This number, the market capitalization, continues to be high. 3.1 trillion. Now, our all-time high for that is like 3.7 trillion and change. Retail money's left the building because retail money's been scared off. Retail investors, okay? And again, I'm talking about hundreds of millions of people across the world. The existing people have been scared away. I've told you, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, manipulation. if we had hundreds of millions of investors leave the building, why didn't the crypto market crash? Why didn't it go down to $1 trillion, 1.5 trillion, that number, the entire crypto market? Why didn't we see Bitcoin go to 50,000, 40,000? Why didn't we see Ethereum go below 1,000? Why didn't we see XRP go back down below $1? Why hasn't the market crashed? Okay. If hundreds of millions of retail investors have left the building, I'll give you one simple reason. It's this chart, the red line. Institutional investors are stacking. They're buying every day. And they're not buying enough to make the market pump. They're buying enough inside of the daily volume. Like, Bitcoin's daily volume is 20 billion or more. Ethereum's daily volume is $4+ billion a day. That's the daily transactional volume. The institutional investors and the whales and the smart money are buying, and they're stacking right now and I'm not going to say you, because is it you? I don't know. Question. While the average retail investor, hundreds of millions of them left the building because they were scared off, and they were scared off for a reason, so that institutional investors, Wall Street, so forth and so on, governments across the world could step in and buy. It's that simple. And the key is for you, it's whether or not you decide to stay. It's whether or not you decide to believe all the crap and the junk out there that says crypto is dead and XRP is dead and Bitcoin is not good and Ethereum not good and Cardano and blah, blah, blah. Because it's all rhetoric. It's all propaganda. It's not true. And you have to make a choice whether or not you decide to stay here or not. And here's the thing, whether you do or not doesn't impact me one single bit. I continue to buy, and I am not a whale. I am not an institution. I am certainly not. I am definitely not on those guys' levels. But I buy every day, a little bit here, a little bit there. I'm buying. I bought last week. I told you guys this. I bought XRP. I bought Ondo. I bought XLM. I bought some more Cardano. I bought some more Bitcoin. I bought some more Ethereum. What am I doing? I'm stacking blue chips. Major, big altcoins. Because I believe in the long-term viability of crypto. And whether you do or not is up to you. That's a decision you have to make. I'm just simply here to tell you and maybe to show you some things, because you've given me a few minutes of your day, which I truly appreciate. Thank you, by the way. Because look, it is manipulation, period, end of story. The crypto market would not be north of $3 trillion in total market capitalization if it was not manipulation. And I'm talking about manipulation for misinformation to try to run the retail investor out so that they, and you know who they are, can step in and buy. It's classic. So it's frustrating because the average retail investor buys into it. They do. All right. So before I let you go, if you want a way to make even more money, look, you got to be making money in this market. So why not have a little bit of help? I got a piece of software. It's literally about $1 a day. It's called X1 Algo. It's a trading indicator. By the way, it gave a buy alert 14 days ago for XRP as an example. Back after Trump got elected, this is a buy alert, a sell alert. And by the way, these alerts come in on your phone. You can set it up. It's easy. It's 20 minutes and you're up and running using the software. 400% up. $3,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of over 12 grand. This is Bitcoin. Look at this. Let's see. I have Bitcoin's right here. Sorry. This is Bitcoin right here. Buy alert, sell alert, 92 days, 70%. Okay. $1,000 bought would have made you a profit of over $700, just about $700. The software runs on any device, iPhone, Android, runs on any computers. Quarterly option is the cheapest, and you got a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So you get to try the software for zero risk. If you don't like it, you get a complete refund. So buy it today, try it. If you don't like it, you get a refund. By the way, another way you can use it, and you can use it for stocks while this crazy crypto market does what it does. This is Tesla. This is the Tesla chart. And this is the software working for Tesla as an example. Here's Apple. Here's the software working for the app for Apple. See, it's Apple right here. Okay, there's Netflix. There you go. There's the software working for Netflix. Look at that. Boom. I mean, there you go. Buys and sells all the way, but making tons of money along the way. So you can use it for stocks. You can use it for crypto. You can use it for anything you want. So Look, I'm frustrated by this market as well. I'm frustrated by the retail investors left the building. I am, by the way, links in the description below to get to this. And if you're watching this on X, links below as well, below this video. I want you to make a ton of money. I do. Just don't leave. That's it. See you. Bye.